my channel was dead. I mean, it was really dead. I had posted once over a period of the last year or so, and it had just flatlined. I was getting no views, very few impressions, and most people at this point would just abandon their channel because they thought, what's the point? But that's not me. I took it as a challenge. I thought, I can revive this thing. So what did I do? I started posting more. My goal was 3 times a week. Now, I haven't hit that goal yet. I've been averaging 2 videos a week, sometimes just 1, but that's okay. The point is, I started posting more again. The fact is, you can't grow on YouTube unless you're posting. You can't grow a YouTube channel unless you're uploading videos to YouTube. And I'll say this over and over again, no matter how many people contradict me. Consistency on YouTube matters. The audience doesn't care how often you upload, but you should care. If you tell yourself, I'm only gonna post a video when that video is perfect, guess what? You're never gonna post a video. This video is not gonna be perfect. As soon as I hit record, somebody started using a weed eater outside. And I don't know if the mic picked that up or not. I don't care. I'm gonna post imperfect videos because that's what I'm committed to do. Of course, quality matters. Of course, make your videos better each time. But like I've said so many times before, make videos. Don't wait till you're perfect. Don't wait till you're ready. Start before you're ready. But don't put it off. If you want to grow a YouTube channel, you have to start uploading videos to YouTube. And if you haven't uploaded some in a long time, you got to start again. Within 2 weeks of starting to upload videos to YouTube again, I started seeing some traction on one of the videos that I posted. When that happens, post another video on that topic. That next video isn't guaranteed to get views, but it is likely. And even if it doesn't, and it didn't in my case, be committed to the process. Tell yourself it's okay to get less views. Tell yourself I'm going to keep on posting videos even if they get no views. Tell yourself I'm going to make every video a little bit better than the last one. I'm focusing right now on 2 things: consistency of uploading to YouTube and better storytelling, better authenticity. That's why I'm not focusing on lights. That's why I'm not focusing on B-roll. I'm trying to focus right now on being more relatable. Is it working at all? I don't know, but I'm trying, and that's the point. If you want to revive a dead old YouTube channel, you got to start trying again. You got to tell yourself it's not going to be perfect. It's totally okay that it's not perfect, but I got to get started again. And it starts just by recording and uploading that next video. So what's your next video going to be about? Honestly, if you haven't uploaded in a while, don't think too much about it. Hit record, start talking, upload it, and do it again. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.